We're going to be installing a Victory 4x4 roof rack on my 2024 Colorado ZR2 Bison edition. Getting it all set up for overlanding. So I've already got the main part of it put together. It's the loose fit, it's not tight. I actually have pictures of all the steps to do because there's no actual instructions with the Victory 4x4 setup, and watching the video is a pain in the ass when you're trying to do it. A lot faster, just look at a few pictures, boom, put it together, set it up on top of the truck. We'll mark out the holes that we got to drill. We've already cleaned up the top of the truck. I should have cleaned the whole thing, but it's been a here in Vegas. So we'll get to it. Yeah, be careful tightening them up too, so that they don't go. No, so that you don't spin them out.
What do you feel about it?
I like it. I just gotta finish it now. got the Victory 4x4 rack installed on my Colorado Bison. Not very easy, super easy putting it together. It took 30 minutes maybe to even get it set up on top of the truck. It took a good hour and a half to drill through the roof, get really good drill bits. What a pain in the ass. As far as setting it up there and getting it torqued down and everything, yeah, we bought these Milwaukees, which were great for a minute, but they get torn up pretty fast. Let the drill bit do the work. Try not to push down too hard, but yeah, we burned up a few drill bits. So we got it set up there. I still got to trim the trim so I can set that back up on there and do a little bit of sealing. And then I've got a 40-inch light bar that goes on it and some ditch lights. I'm waiting for Victory 4x4 to send me back, or send me my ditch light mounts. I have the Oxbeam LED pods for that and a 6-switch panel system from Oxbeam also, so we'll be installing that. That should be pretty straightforward and easy. I've done it before on my buggy and my bikes and stuff, so fairly simple.